Before starting, you should check that your printer is AirPrint supported. AirPrint printers allow you to print directly from an iPhone wirelessly without installing any app, whereas non-AirPrint printers require a manufacturer app, software, or workaround to enable printing from an iPhone. I have a Canon Pixma printer that supports AirPrint. I can directly print from the Photos app, Mail app, and Files app. You must connect a printer to your wireless network using either the printer's control panel or the Canon app. Under the Setup mode, select Wi-Fi Setup and Manual Connect. After the printer searches for available wireless router networks, enter your Wi-Fi password and add the printer to your network. And an alternate method is to use the Canon Printer app. Download the app and set it up one time using the app available in the App Store. If you don't have a phone, you can use the Canon PC app to set up the printer. Refer to my separate tutorial for Mac or PC users. I have now downloaded the Canon Print app from the App Store on my iPhone. Under the Add Switch tab, tap on the Register Printer option. Wait for your printer name to appear here. If not, then tap on. If the printer cannot be found, tap on this button. Verify and check your printer mode. Follow the on-screen instructions and tap Auto Connection. Find this button on the printer panel and hold it for 3 seconds to put your printer in pairing mode. Wait for up to 3 minutes, and then join the Canon hotspot. Then select the Wi-Fi network and enter your Wi-Fi network password to add the printer to your wireless local network. At home or in the office. That's it. Now, in your Mail app, under the Email preview, tap on the forward icon. Scroll and find the Print option in the Share sheet. See all printing settings, and select the printer that's in your network. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi. Here I am showing my Canon printer. Check all printer settings and start printing. Follow the same method to print from the Photos app and Files app. Under the Share button, select Print and start printing. If you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.